What's going on, guys? Welcome to Currency World. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. Since it's the holiday season, I decided to do something a little bit different here on the channel. I was out holiday shopping when this guy caught my eye. Now guys, it's been almost 2 decades since I last opened up a pack of Pokemon cards. But when I saw this while I was Christmas shopping, I figured why not? And I decided to open it up for you guys on the channel so we could take a trip down memory lane together. This box is a Charizard EX box and it contains 4 booster packs and this holographic card right here. Hopefully we could pull a few more. In case you guys missed my last video on Pokemon cards, you can check it out in the link down below, and there'll also be a link above, and that video contains my personal collection of holographic cards, including the base set Charizard and a bunch of other rare and valuable cards, so make sure to check that out. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing and Alright guys, here we go. We've got this nice box right here. I paid somewhere around $15 for this, and we open it up. Okay guys, so here's what we've got inside of the box, and right off the bat you guys will notice the large Charizard EX card and the matching smaller Charizard EX card. I'll let you guys take a closer look. But whenever you guys find Charizard Pokemon cards, make sure to hold on to them. They'll always be worth something. Even very common ones such as these. I'm sure, like myself, many of you still have the base set Charizard, which goes for around $100 right now. And I believe the ultra rare Charizard in the Sun and Moon packs goes for somewhere around $200. It's by far the most collectible Pokemon card. Everybody wants Charizard. It's recognized among collectors and just among people that like Pokemon cards. So we'll open this up. I'll let you guys take a closer look at this Charizard. 120 damage. Very nice indeed. Set this off to the side. We've got the booster packs right here. Let you guys take a look at those. We have EX Fates Collide, Sun and Moon, Primal Clash, and Evolutions, X and Y. Let you guys take a closer look at this oversized Charizard. Same as the smaller EX card. Very nice indeed. Back just looks like a regular Pokemon card. I'll put this off to the side. And here we go. And we have the booster packs right here. Let's go ahead and start with the Fates Collide. I'll try to open these up without damaging them too much. I'll let you guys take a look at the code card. Alright guys, so I apologize in advance if I botch any of the names on these Pokemon. It's been a while and I have not been following the new generations. I believe the card trick for these is 3 to the back. So we'll go ahead and do that like this. First we have Dome Fossil Kabuto, Howlucha, Trainer, Riolu, Cottony, Seal, there's a classic one right there, Wilsmer, Fennekin, and our reverse holo is Whismur. And wow guys, we have an Umbreon EX. Very cool card. I'll make sure and put the value of this card somewhere on screen so you guys can take a look. I believe these are worth somewhere around $2 or so. Very nice card. Let you guys take a closer look at that. 170 HP and 70 damage looks like. Wow. Really cool card. We'll place this one over here to the side. We'll recap our best pulls at the end, and we'll keep the reverse hollows here as well. Wow guys, right off the bat we have a fantastic pull. let's get into the second pack, which is an Evolutions S. I believe the card trick is the same on all of these. And wow, guys, I think this Evolutions pack has a lot of the Pokemon from the original. Here's the code card. Let you guys take a look at that. We'll toss it over to the side. And I believe the card trick on these is exactly the same. So we'll go 3. And I think this Evolutions pack has a lot of the recognizable Pokemon cards from the first generation. So let's get into it. Brock's Grit. Cool card. Slowbro Spirit Link. Kakuna. Tangela. Vulpix. Fire Energy. Voltrobe. Charmander. Wow, guys, look at that. Reverse Holo Onyx. Very cool. And, oh, disappointing. Far-fetched Rare. That's disappointing, guys. It would have been cool if we pulled a Charizard or even a Blastoise, a Venusaur, Farfetch'd. Alright, alright. So, not a bad start overall. We'll go ahead and move to the Primal Clash. Let you guys check that out for a second. Wow, guys, opening these up really brings back memories. It really does. There we go. Get it open. And here is the card with the code. You guys want to take a look. Set this off to the side. 1, 2, 3. We'll put these up front and get started. Mag Cargo, Seadra, Gorbis, Trapinch, Vulpix, Schfeel, Honedge, Hippotas, and our reverse holo is a Corphish. And our rare is a Tangrowth. Wow, this is a new one. Still a little bit disappointing. Only 1 EX card, 1 holographic. I know growing up, that's all I really cared about. That's all I looked for. Alright guys, so now we are moving to the Sun and Moon pack, which is the newest generation series. Open this guy up, if I can. Wow guys, these are a little bit more challenging to open. But we'll get right into it. And I believe the card trick for these is a little different, but I'll let you guys take a look at the code card. Set this off to the side, and I believe this one is 4 to the back, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so we'll do that, flip it over, and we have what I believe is a Steel Energy, Rotom Dex, cool, Passminion, apologize if I botched that one, I believe that's how you pronounce it, How, or Who, Heu. Got a trainer card. We've got a Sandile, Crawbrawler, Drowsy, Gruben,
Pharaoh. Wow. Cool design on this guy for sure. Sandygast. And a Cloyster. So disappointing, guys. All we got was this really cool Umbreon right here. And for our reverse hollows, we got a Winsmer, an Onyx, and a Corphish. I'll be adding this one to my collection for sure. All the other ones were rather disappointing. Overall, I'm still happy with the purchase.
Alright guys, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this Pokemon pack opening trip down memory lane with me. Be sure to let me know in the comments section down below which Pokemon card was your favorite growing up. And as always, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and tell your friends about Currency World. Also, if you enjoyed this kind of video, let me know down below and I will be sure to do more. Alright guys, until next time, take care.